Okay guys, we're just going to do a quick toolbox tour. US Pro Tools 3-drawer toolbox. Locks when the lid goes down. Got a little key thing there. Let's get into it. 12-point sockets here. 36, 30, 24 and 19. 16, 16, 16 spark plugs, 21 spark plug, 13, 11, 10, half inch. That's a spline bit, I'm not sure which one, but it's just like homemade sort of thing. Adapters, this is half inch to 3/8, 3/8 to half, 3/8 to quarter. This is a Torx 50-bit, epoxied into a 10mm socket. Bit driver, female Torxes, 3/8 drive, shallow sockets, half-inch deep sockets, 24, 22, 21, 19, 17, 15, 14, 13, 1/4-inch deep sockets, 13 to 4. All my extension bars, 3/8 drive, half-inch, 1/4-inch, and in top drawer we got screwdrivers, all screwdrivers I need. They are just a cheap set, but it does the job. Second drawer, we got pliers, spanners which need organising, and Allen keys, and bits, screwdriver. And here we got half-inch T-bar, half-inch breaker bar, half-inch ratchet, 1/4-inch ratchet, 3/8 drive ratchet, 3/8 drive ratchet with a modified 1/4-inch. Cold chisel, homemade knife, blades, 2 flip knives, just a carpet knife, just a wrench, and vice grips. That concludes it, guys. Thanks.